Namaste. I am Yogacharya Manoj Joshi, and in this video, I'm going to show you how Yoga Nidra can literally reprogram your subconscious mind, and why modern neuroscience is now confirming this ancient practice. What if you could change a deeply held belief about yourself, not through years of therapy or willpower, but by lying still for 30 minutes and planting a single intention in your subconscious mind? This isn't wishful thinking. It's the science behind one of the most powerful aspects of Yoga Nidra, the Sankalpa. And modern neuroscience is beginning to explain why it works. To understand how Yoga Nidra reprograms the mind, we first need to understand how the mind is structured. In yogic philosophy, the mind operates on multiple layers. There's the conscious mind, the part that thinks, analyzes, and makes decisions. This is what you're using right now as you listen to me. Beneath that is the subconscious mind, a vast storehouse of beliefs, patterns, habits, and emotional memories. Most of what drives your behavior comes from here, not from your conscious thoughts. Think about it. You don't consciously decide to feel anxious before a presentation. You don't choose to get triggered by certain words. These reactions come from patterns stored deep in your subconscious, patterns that were formed through past experiences, often in childhood. Here's the challenge. The conscious mind is like a gatekeeper. During your normal waking state, it filters and judges every thought. If you try to change a deep belief through conscious effort, repeating affirmations while wide awake, for example, the gatekeeper often rejects it. You might say, "I am confident," but your subconscious whispers back, "No, you're not." This is why willpower alone rarely produces lasting change. The subconscious patterns are too deeply embedded. This is where Yoga Nidra becomes extraordinary. During a Yoga Nidra session, as your body relaxes deeply and your brain transitions from beta waves to alpha and then to theta waves, something remarkable happens. The gatekeeper, the critical, analytical, conscious mind, steps aside. In the theta state, you're in a zone between waking and sleeping. Your body is deeply at rest. Your conscious mind is quiet, but your awareness is still gently present. This is the window of opportunity. In this state, the subconscious mind becomes more receptive to new information. It's similar to what neuroscientists study in the field of neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to form new neural pathways and restructure existing ones. When you plant an intention, a sankalpa, during this theta window, it bypasses the usual filters. It goes directly into the deeper layers of the mind where beliefs and patterns are stored. This is why Sankalpa is introduced at two specific points in traditional Yoga Nidra practice. At the beginning, as you first enter the relaxed state, and at the end, before you return to full wakefulness. These are the moments when the subconscious doorway is most open. The Sankalpa is a short positive intention, a resolution. It's not a wish or a goal. It's a statement of truth about the person you are becoming. In my teaching, I guide people to craft their Sankalpa carefully. It should be short, one sentence. It should be positive, stated as what you are, not what you aren't. And it should be personally meaningful. For example, I am at peace with myself, or I trust my body's ability to heal, or I sleep deeply and wake refreshed. The same Sankalp is used consistently session after session. This repetition is critical. Each time the intention is planted during the theta state, it strengthens the neural pathway associated with that belief. Over time, typically across a 21-day practice, participants begin to notice shifts, not dramatic overnight changes, but subtle movements in how they think, react, and feel. The anxious pattern loosens its grip. The negative self-talk gets quieter. A new default begins to emerge. This is the neuroplasticity engine at work. Consistent daily practice activates new neural pathways, which strengthens structural brain reinforcement, which upgrades your biological baseline. Subconscious reprogramming through Yoga Nidra isn't only about planting new beliefs, it's also about releasing old ones. During deep Yoga Nidra sessions, particularly during the visualization phase, emotional material can surface. Old memories, unresolved feelings, or stored tension may arise not as overwhelming experiences, but as gentle waves that move through awareness and dissolve. This is what we call emotional processing. In the safe, relaxed state of Yoga Nidra, the mind can process emotions that it normally pushes aside during the busyness of daily life. This is why our reset series isn't just about sleep. We have an emotional reset track that works with stored emotional patterns, a stress reset that targets accumulated tension, a mental reset for quieting an overactive mind, and an energy reset for those who feel depleted. Each track uses the same foundational Yoga Nidra methodology, but with different visualization themes and awareness focus areas tailored to specific needs. What the ancient yogis understood through direct experience, modern science is now validating through brain imaging. Breath awareness corresponds to vagal tone regulation, which directly activates the parasympathetic nervous system. And Yoga Nidra meditation maps to default mode network deactivation and cortical thickening, measurable changes in brain structure. This isn't metaphysical, this is biology. Your brain is designed to change based on repeated experience. Yoga Nidra provides a structured way to leverage that design, to reprogram patterns that no longer serve you and install ones that do. If you've been trying to change something about yourself through sheer willpower and it hasn't been working, it's not because you're weak. It's because you've been trying to reprogram the subconscious through the conscious mind. That's like trying to edit the source code while the application is running. Yoga Nidra gives you access to the source code. I've created free 3-day introductory sessions for 5 different reset tracks right here on this channel. Pick the one that speaks to you: sleep, stress, mental, emotional, or energy, and experience the practice for yourself. The links are in the description below. I'm Yogacharya Manoj from Wellness by All Means. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the practice. Namaste.